Hi guys, today we are going to look at how you can uh, successfully scalp gold on the lower time frames. Lower time frames, I'm talking about the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame, and the 15 minutes time frame. But the first thing you will do to scalp gold for a few pips, say 10 pips, 20 pips, is to first of all look at what is happening on the higher time frames, like daily time frame. What you can see on the daily time frame, you can see price of gold has risen for some period of time. It rose up for some period of time. Now we have like a drop, okay, and then we have like a rise, a small rise, okay. So that's what you see on the daily time frame. You can step down to 4 hour time frame. What can you observe on the 4 hour time frame? uh Price of gold has dropped, okay, and you can see wicks or rejection. All right. What I mean by wicks or rejection, I'm talking about this particular candle tail, like a tail, okay, it's like a tail. This is another tail. All right. This is another tail, okay. These are the buying forces, okay, trying to push gold up. All right, trying to push gold up so that gold can continue in the uptrend. All right, but if the forces are sufficient enough to push price up, we'll get to know as time goes on. Another thing you look at is the trend line. Like you have a descend, you can plot a descending trend line on the 4 hour to have something like this, okay. So if you are going to scalp gold, apart from the rejection you can see at the bottom, you also know that there's going to be like a resistance somewhere around here. So if you are going to scalp gold, you have to put this trend line into consideration when scalping the yellow metal. Now you can drop down to the 1 hour time frame to also look at what's happening on the 1 hour time frame as far as your screen can give you the view. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, let me remove the okay, on the 1 hour time frame, okay, you can see like a triple bottom. You can see a triple bottom. Price has formed triple bottom. This is the first bottom. This is the second bottom, but not as low as the first, and price just formed another bottom here, okay. So this, when you have a triple bottom, you have a neckline, and from what you can see on the screen, price has broken the neckline. More like when you have head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, and you can see price has broken the neckline around here. So whatever you do, you try to buy, scalp, buy for now. You don't sell for now. You look for buying opportunities. Then you can drill it down to the 30 minutes time frame. This is the 30 minutes time frame. You can see what's happening on the 30 minutes time frame. Price is also showing the triple bottom on a more elaborate view, okay. But on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that we have a low here, okay, a low around here, a high here, a higher low here, higher high here, then we have a break to the lower side for us to have lower low around here. Then we now have higher high registered. Okay, so at this higher high, price could descend a bit to this region, this particular point, can come to this point to have like a a leverage or a room, then bounce further. Okay, but don't forget the 4-hour time frame descending trend line that we have around here in your when you are scalping. Then also on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the week, this particular week you have here, this particular week you have here. Okay, at the top of the week is your where your sellers are. That will be your resistance. Top of the week will be your resistance, so price could get test that particular point. So when you are scalping, you put that into consideration. Then we drill down to the 15 minutes time frame. You can come in with a trend line here on the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that price is respecting the trend line. So on the 15 minutes time frame, price is respecting this trend line. So, and you can see on the screen, you have most of the colors on the screen are green candles. Okay, on the screen. So the buyers are in charge, the buyers are active, and the sellers are inactive as far as the screen is concerned. So we have a low here, higher low, lower low, then higher high, then like buyers got some impetus right here and they push price higher. So if you are going to scalp, you can place a buy trade on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's just buy. Okay, and then you can set your TP to be 10 pips or 20 pips to scalp some profits. Don't forget, in your scalp, the trend line, descending trend line, is your resistance. Also the resistance above the week here is also your resistance. Put that into consideration. In case of drawdown, your drawdown can get as low as this support here before price will push further up. Okay, so don't forget that price has already broken the neckline and it has a bit tested the neckline around here and it's trying to bounce further. So if we are going to drill down to the 5 minutes time frame, looking at the 5 minutes time frame, you can see price is making its way up. Price is making its way up, and we expect price to break above the top here. Looking at this candle on the 5 minutes time frame, is a bullish pin bar telling us price will go, at least price will manage to get to the top here, and if it gets to this top, it can break the top and go to the upper side. But if it refuses to go up, it will drop to these points or drop to this point and gather some momentum, then go up. And if it gets to this point, it will have some energy for it to go higher. But if it drops lower to this point, it will have more energy for it to go higher. But you know, this forex price can break this point and descend lower to this point, and also break this point and come lower to the next support point, which is around here, to find more buyers. Okay, but we are talking about scalping here. We are looking for 10 pips, 5 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, short amount of pips, so that you can increase your account bit by bit on a daily basis. Okay, but when you are scalping, you have to know where you want to have your stop loss. You are scalping to get 10 pips. What will be your stop loss? Will it be 5 pips stop loss? That will be a very tight stop loss and it can easily get taken out. Or will it be 10 pips stop loss or 20 pips stop loss or 40 pips stop loss. It depends on your risk appetite. Okay, but in as much as you have the buyers in charge most of the time on the screen, nothing stops you from getting 5 pips or 10 pips for the day. So that's that on how to scalp gold. I'll come up with some more videos on how to scalp gold with some other strategies. Okay, I forgot to mention how you can look at the 1 minute time frame. Looking at the 1 minute time frame, you have a high here, a low here, higher high up to this point, lower low, and much more higher high. Then you have a dip, and as price dip to this point, it's trying to go higher. So a break of this particular point on the 1 minute time frame should launch price higher, and this is much expected. So that's that for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the like button, smash the like button, drop your comments, ask questions anywhere you're not clear. We'll try as much as possible to give further explanation. Then expect more videos. Click the bell button so that when we release more videos on how to scalp gold, you'll be the first to see it on your notification. You can visit our website www.binefxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade gold. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.